Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have non-dominant day, so I'm going to be using my left hand to snatch my right. Now, as you know, non-dominant work can be tricky, but every time you do a set, you're going to learn nuances and little tips and tricks to make it so much easier. So using Candy Pop, which Madam Glam sent in the spring PR, and my very first PR package from Madam Glam, I got a color called Silver Magic. So I am going to create the most darling spring manicure, and this will be a watch me work. So let's get into all of the magic.
I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, a hope is losing its hold. You know the other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
Jamming on the beat.
I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, the fire calling me. Boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time. Boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Baby, the fire calling me. Boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time. Boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Like a lighthouse on the ocean, I sail him on devotion into my thoughts. I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you calling me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself?
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now.
Thank you so very much, my gorgeous nail family, for watching this Watch Me Work. I am madly in love with Candy Pop, and under different lights, it goes from a coral to a sorry, there was an intense glitch there, from a beautiful coral to a bright pink. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.